Does a Samsung TV keep resetting itself, showing ADs or demo banners at the top of your screen? That means your TV is stuck in retail mode. In this video, I will show you how to turn retail mode off so your TV works normally at home, and how to turn it back on if you ever need it for a display. Here is how to disable retail mode and switch to home mode. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Go to Settings. Scroll down and select General. Choose System Manager. Now, select Usage Mode. It will ask for a PIN. The default PIN is usually 00000 into 4. From the options, select Home Mode instead of Retail Mode. Retail Mode, also called Demo Mode, is designed for TVs in stores. It automatically resets settings, shows promotional content. But at home, you want your Samsung TV in Home Mode, not Retail Mode. That is it, your TV will stop resetting itself and you can save your own picture and sound settings. If you are a store owner or want your TV in Demo Mode for display, just repeat the same process. All you need to do is to switch it on to Retail Mode. And that is how you turn on and off Samsung TV Retail Mode. If your TV was stuck in Demo Mode, this will fix it immediately. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other TV issues. Thank you.